Hi guys, I'm here with the beautiful Aida for our Halloween 2021. We're making her the glorious Rekha. So hang out with us to see how we achieve that. Okay, so now we're going to use the not just red, magenta, and peach lip spectrums to contour her face a little bit too. So what I'm actually going to use is I'm going to use teak wood from here for a little bit of a sculpt and somewhat of ruby slippers and a little bit of bougainvillea. So let's start with teak wood. So here's the delicious pinkiness of teak wood. The shot of Rekha that I looked at had this very beautiful pinky cheek. So I thought this was defo the way to go. But this also gives you a better idea of teak wood. So when I say it's like a brownie pink, you can see once you pop it onto skin, it's a brownie pink. And the reason why we gave that in the not just peach lip spectrum is because you want to balance out the oranginess. If I did like a hot brown here and then a hot peachy color, then you would get really bright orangey. It's a really nice color on your cheeks, as you can see also. Oof, look at that. Yum, yum, yum. It's a nice way to get your cream blush in, and because of course this mattifies, you're not going to end up with a greasy finish. Now I'm going to use the bougainvillea to just give a little hit of pinky warmth. If this also helps you guys understand the color, so it's like a beautiful deep bougainvillea. What can I say? It's the only color that occurs to me. It is bougainvillea-y. So you can see how pretty the bougainvillea and the teak wood is. I warmed it up a little bit with some foundation, but you can see how yummers that pink on the cheek is, how nice the sculpt is. And now I'm just going to set it with some NARS crystal powder. And what we're going to do is now we're going to go live on Instagram and not tell them what we're doing, and then we're going to come back and be Rekha. I'm here with lovely Aida.
Hello.
So this is beautiful bougainvillea, which I've taken out onto my ring palette, and now we're going to set that. Now I'm going to use just some matte eyeshadows to create a Rekha look. So I don't know which of the many palettes I'm going to pull out. Tarte Amazonian Clay. Recently, I've been feeling the matte Meat Matchmaker. And of course, the NARS Loaded palette. as you guys can see, there is an incredibly terrifying, Rekha. Let's just say it's her character from one of the movies where she's been wronged one time too many or pushed too far, and boom, she's here and she's here for revenge. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you have some Halloween fun of your own. Much love. Bye guys.